The most important thing you can do to restore team unity is to go back to your team's ABCs. As part of a team, your employees have 3 basic needs. Team members need to feel A, a sense of achievement, B, a sense of belonging, and C, that they are making a contribution. When there's a problem in any of those 3 areas, unity can break down. To restore unity on your team, start by asking yourself, are your goals specific, measurable, and time-bound? Does everyone understand the big picture and what is expected? Are team members respectful of each other's work styles, experiences, ideas, and opinions? Is it fun to be a part of your team? Are you recognizing good work and addressing poor performance? Are you recognizing team members as they prefer to be recognized? Well, that's it. If you answered no to any of these questions, focus on a solution and you'll be on your way. Good luck.